Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to find that edit task and target layer and what is the use of both. I will show now. Okay guys, so here if you want to find the edit task and target layer, then go to here customize, then click customize mode, then here click command, then here you have to type here whatever tool you like, you can type here edit type, edit task. Then this one, wherever you want to keep it, you can drag and you can keep it here. So next we want to know the target layer, then this one also drag and drop here. So now cancel this one. Then now here we have finded edit task tool and target layer. Then what is the use of this both tools? So this is the edit task, this is the target layer. See, if you want to create the new feature class, then here we have the edit tool, then you have to click here, then we have to select the whatever features, click here, whatever features is there we have to select, then we have the draw. So here this tool, it is not required, we can select the directly here whatever features. So for example, I want to create a point features, then this one select water fitting. See here, if you want to create the polygon and reshape or new, so I want to create new, select this one, then click here sketch, then can draw. Because we have selected here point feature, then that's why here when you are click here it will creating point feature, water point feature. If you want to know the, just click this one, select whatever you will create. See here, click attribute, then here see the water fittings. So if you want to do the one more feature, same select here. So water mains, click this one, then click here sketch tool, here it is new, then draw the line. See, like this we can use the edit task and target layer. This is the target layer, this is the edit task. Edit task means whatever shape, like create point or polygon. For example, we will try the polygon. See here we have this one, select this polygon feature, then click. See, it will create a polygon. We will select line, then create polygon. We'll try it. See here, selected this one polygon, then I have selected line feature class. See, because it is showing polygon. So like this we can use the edit task and target layer. So no need to go here, click here we no need to select, you can select direct here whatever features here is there, that all feature it will show the target layer. Okay guys, thank you.